Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how you can download the Windows 10 ISO file directly from the Microsoft official homepage. But recently if we search Windows 10 ISO file, we don't see any option like ISO file download that we used to find. In order to download the ISO file of Windows 10 from official Microsoft page, from here we need to apply a trick. So let's get started. First click on these three dots, then scroll down and search more tools. After coming here, you have to select the developer tools. Click on it and it will show a developer interface. In here again scroll down and you can see the user exit option. Uncheck this user default mark and you have to select the Chrome OS option. After selecting Chrome OS, just refresh your home page again. Now here we can see the change Windows 10 2023 update. Here we can now select the edition Windows 10 multi-edition. After selecting confirm, it is validating our request. We can select our desired option to download the ISO file. Select the confirm. As you can see, Windows 10 English. Let's click on 64-bit. Here we can see Windows 10 22H2 English version ISO file. Click on start download. And that's it. You can easily download the Windows ISO file using this trick. Hope you will like the video and please subscribe to my channel for more tech content like this. Have a nice day.